Hello guys, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Friends, how are you all? I know you are all well, you are very good, and I'm also fine. And today we are going to learn how can you book hotel by using OYO application. Friends, we want to learn how to book any hotel by using OYO application. You know na, OYO application is very famous application to book hotels. But how can a VI person do it? Okay, no problem. Watch the video till the end and listen the video till the end. You will be able to understand the total process, the total overview, everything I am going to tell you in this video. So let's start. Friends, if you are new to this channel and if your first time visit my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, choose all notification to get latest updates. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel to get all the videos, links and much more information in one place. So friends, I am opening this application.
OYO.
OYO is a free application right now.
OYO. Invite friends and earn 2200 OYO rupee. Top 10 refer. Share via message. More. OYO offers.
I am telling you what is the refer and earn program by OYO a little bit later, but before this I want to tell you how to register. To register with OYO, you have to use your mobile number, name and email ID. It's very simple, just follow on-screen instruction after downloading OYO. It is available in Play Store. Also, I have shared the link in our Telegram channel and video description box. So, let's see what is the overview.
Offer zone image. Off selection 082078. Try BTN at navig. Dia 3 of 14. BTN at navigation menu.
Head navigation menu, it's the top left. Then I'm swiping from left to right.
Try quote hotels under 1099 at go a quote.
It's a very
Capital.
Offers.
Nearby 1 of 14.
Capital,
List 14
nearby.
items. Kolkata 2 of 14.
Kolkata. This is the list of cities, nearest cities and metropolitan areas.
Dia 3 of 14.
Dia means Digha.
Goa 4 of 14.
Goa.
Delhi 5 of 14.
Delhi. Okay.
Puri 6. Delhi. Puri 6 of 14.
Puri.
Bangalore 7 of 14.
Bangalore.
Puri 6 of 14.
Now let's see.
Goa. Dia 3 of 14.
I want to go to Goa. Okay.
Goa 4 of 14.
Suppose I want to go to Goa. I'm clicking on Goa.
OYO. Topmost out of list.
Okay. Now
Back.
let's see. Back.
Where in Goa?
Where in Goa?
Topmost.
Where in Goa means in Goa there are lots of places, right? So where do you want to book your hotel?
Today 12:00 p.m. 1N. Tomorrow 11:00 a.m.
1N means one night.
1 room, 1 guest.
One room, one guest.
Route underscore location all of Goa. T.
All of
Baga
Goa.
Beach, North Goa. Panjim. Majayan. Kalangute. South Goa.
Okay.
Trending OYOs. See all.
Trending OS. There are lots of hotels available. You can see.
Collection 0756. Icon saved hotel. OYO 84226 Mandram Retreat by Taha, India. Goa 1195. 4538. 74% off. New
It's a
206.
17% off. It's a new registered hotel. So suppose I want to book this hotel. You can watch any. You can see more options. You can see more hotels. But for video purpose, I am showing you with the first hotel. I'm clicking here.
OYO. Out of list.
OYO. Okay.
Map.
Map.
Date of travel. Edit. Date of travel and guests.
Okay. First of all, you have to enter the date of travel and guests. You have to enter the start date and you have to enter the end date or checkout date, check-in date and checkout date. Here you will find the general calendar. Okay, it's not totally accessible, but it quite accessible. I am showing you how to access this calendar. So just
edit.
if you click on edit, you will get the details. So I am click on edit. Now if you touch, if you explore by touch,
Page, capital S, capital M, capital
SMTW, it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, it's a normal calendar. If you are using any calendar by Narendra Ramakrishna Mission, you see that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and below that date are written like 1, 2. If Sunday is 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a like rows and columns. Okay, which means from first row 1 to 7. If the month starts from Sunday, then the row starts from 1 to 7 in first row. Second row from 14 to 20, like this. Okay. Now let's see. We book the hotel in February. Okay.
1,
So
Feb 2,
after January,
February 2022, disabled, 2 of 7.
yes, this disabled 2 of 7 means in February, where if I want to book in February or March or any other, so I have to explore by touch and go to the February calendar. I am not able to go to by left right swiping. You can try, but I am not able to go to. Okay.
1, 8.
So
31,
suppose
disabled, 1.
I am going to Goa 1st February.
Disabled. See all photos, out of list.
1st February, check-in date and check-out date. How to do?
Select check dash out date.
Once you have selected the check-in date, you automatically reach the check-out date. The check-in check-out date option, which means check-in date and check-out date option, is the middle of the top of your screen. Okay, middle of the top of your screen below notification bar. Okay, so I am selecting just
10, 2 of 7.
Suppose
List,
I am
7 items,
selecting
11. 12.
12 February. Okay.
Disabled. Room 1, out of list.
Okay, so now I have to select room. Automatically OYO ask me to select room. Room 1.
Travel 2. Check out, Saturday, February 12th. 2. Add room, 2. 1.
1.
Open parent 5 plus years, close parent. Adult. Arrow down. 1 get. Room 1. Selected. 1
Okay.
room, 1 adult.
1 room, 1 adult. Okay.
Check out, Saturday. Selected. 1 room,
1 room,
1 adult.
1 adult.
Room 1.
If I want to go to alone, so then it's okay for me.
1 guest.
1 guest.
Arrow down.
Arrow down.
Adults. Arrow down. 1. Arrow down. 1 guest. Add room.
If I want to add room, just click add room. Then I can add.
Apply.
In 1 room.
1 room. Selected. 1 room. Room 1. Add room. Apply. Loader view lay.
Just wait. Okay.
OYO 84226 Mandrum retreat by top. OYO 8422.
Quite inaccessible.
Date of travel.
Okay, just wait.
Edit. Calendar icon.
Calendar icon.
February 1st dash February 12th.
February 1st that's February 12. Okay.
12:00. Edit.
If I click on edit, there are 3 tabs.
Selected. Check in. Check out.
Check
Saturday.
out.
1 room. 1 adult.
1 room, 1 adult. If I click on 1 room,
1 room. 1 adult. Selected. Page.
then if I want
Travel
to add
add
any
room.
room, add room. If you suppose if you want to go to 4 people, 5 people, 4 people, if you want to go to, then you have to add one again another room. But
Not ticked. Traveling with children. Open
Traveling
parent
with
05.
children.
Not ticked. Tick box.
if you check it, then if you
Travel.
want to travel
3.
with your children, then
2. 1. Open parent 5 plus year. Adults.
adults.
Arrow down. Open. 1. 2.
2,
3.
3. If I click on
Extra
3,
mattress will be provided for triple occupancy bookings. CT close icon. 2.
What?
3. Traveling with children. 3.
if you do only 2,
2.
so it's 2. I'm doing
1. Open.
Okay.
Arrow down. 2 guests.
2
Room
guests. Room 1, 2 guests.
1.
Okay.
2. 3.
If I want to add
Trap.
room,
Not
I'm just
ticked.
adding
Tick.
room.
Add
One
room.
Add room. Room 2.
See again. See all photos. Traveling with children. Not trap. 3. 2. Open. Adults. Arrow down. 1 guest. Room 2.
Room 2.
1 guest.
1 guest. Same. After room 1, you have to select room 2 guests.
Arrow.
Okay.
Adults. Open.
Now
parent.
if I
1,
select
2.
2. So
Add room.
add room.
Delete room.
Delete room. There is also option
Not
available
ticked.
for delete room.
Delete
I'm deleting the room.
See all photos.
Okay. So everything is done.
Apply.
Now I'm clicking on apply. Apply is the
Apply.
top right corner of your screen.
Loader
Okay.
view lay.
I have
See all
selected room.
photos.
I have selected
OYO
everything.
84226. Map.
Now let's see.
Date of edit.
It's map.
Calendar. February 1st dash February 12th.
February 1st dash February 12th.
12:00 p.m. dash 11:00 a.m.
12.
Guest icon.
Okay.
1 room.
1 room.
2 guests.
2 guests.
Amenities.
Amenities means what is the facilities available in your room.
Wi-Fi. Row 1.
Wi-Fi,
column 1.
free Wi-Fi,
Encrypt.
yes.
AC. Column
AC,
2.
yes.
Kitchen. Row 2.
Kitchen,
column
yes.
1. TV. Column 2.
TV, yes.
Power backup. Row 3.
Power
column
backup,
1.
yes.
View all amenities. Out of grid.
If you click view all amenities, you can able to know every facilities in your room.
What's nearby?
What's nearby? Nearby availabilities.
Selected. Restaurant.
Restaurants.
The Mandala. 0.3 K. Skyline. Hotel Wellness. Namaste Hut. Ashram. Naga Cottage. Jaws Guest. Casa and June. View on map. Choose your sanitized room.
Choose your sanitized room.
Classic open parent 2x closed parent. Classic open parent 2x closed parent : 100 SQFT 13706 57420. Selected.
Yes, this is a classic room.
Hotel image button.
It's an image.
Hotel image more plus 9 more.
Plus 9 more images.
Guest details.
Guest details.
Rattle.
My name. Okay.
Pricing details. Additional savings 4569.
4569. What is the
Fandoyo coupon applied. Dash 4569. 1 of 2. Enlist. More offers.
More offers.
Ticked. Tick box.
Checkbox.
OYO money is not applicable for this property. 2 of 2.
Okay.
Price to pay 57420. Out of list.
57420.
13706.
13706.
Pay now to book.
Pay now to book. If you click on pay now, then there is option like Google Pay, Phone Pay, and another things.
Pay 47.97 and pay rest at hotel. Pay 47.97 and pay rest at hotel.
Pay 47.97. It's a very 5-star hotel. Okay, so that's why it asks so much money, so much rupee. I'm just telling you. Okay.
Pay 47.97 and pay rest at hotel.
Pay 47.97 right now, and the rest amount you can pay at the hotel also.
Check dash in after 12:00 p.m. Check out before 11:00 a.m.
Okay,
Cancellation policy.
You have to check in at after 12 p.m. and you have to check out before 11 a.m. Okay.
Rules and policies.
Rules and policies you can know.
Click here to view.
Click here to view.
Couples are welcome.
Couples are welcome.
Guests can check in using any local or outstation ID proof. Open parent PAN card not accepted. Close parent.
Okay.
As a complimentary benefit, your stay is now insured by ACO.
Okay.
Follow safety measures advised at the hotel.
Okay.
Click here. Rules and policies.
Rules and policies. Let me
Click
show
here to
you
view.
some.
Couples are welcome. Guests can check in using any local or outstation ID proof. Open parent PAN card as a complimentary. Follow safe. Find OYOs without these restrictions. FHD back button. OYO 842. FHD back button.
Okay. So this is the way you can book.
OYO sanitize.
OYO.
OYO 84226
Okay.
Mandrum retreat. OYO 1477 trending OYO. OYO 84226 Mandrum retreat by Taha, India. Goa 11. OYO make your first booking out of list. Search for hotel. Sit BTN at nav.
You can search any
Dial
hotel.
3 of 4.
Okay. Okay, in this application, this is quite inaccessible, but still you can access it. Now I am going to at the top left corner where
Search
is
for hotel. BTN head navigation menu.
head navigation menu. Let's see what are the options in head navigation menu.
Menu. High rattle plus 91 dash 7. Book your first OYO starting
Book
from
your first way.
319. MNWV Wizard. But become an OYO wizard.
Common Way
Enjoy
Wizard.
up to 10% on your bookings.
Common Way Wizard or OYO Wizard is like Amazon Prime subscription. I am not recommending to use it right now.
Wallets. 4 of 12.
Wallets.
OYO Money. 1000.
OYO Money. I have 1000 OYO Money.
OYO Rupee. 0.
OYO Rupee 0. OYO Money and OYO Rupee. I don't know what is the difference.
All wallets.
All wallets.
Your saved properties. 5 of 12.
Your saved properties.
Invite and earn. Refer
Invite
your friends
and
and earn
earn.
OYO Rupee. 6 of 12.
Invite and earn OYO Rupee. If you want to invite your friends, you can do it from here.
Need help? Manage your bookings. 7 of 12.
Need help? Manage your bookings.
On board as a partner. 8 of 12.
On board as a partner.
Travel agent partner.
As a travel agent partner. If you are a travel agent, you can also tie up your business with OYO.
Need help? Manage your bookings.
Okay.
Corporate partner.
Corporate partner.
Are you a property owner? 9
Are
of
you a
12.
property? If you have any hotels, you can also register with OYO.
List your property. Language switcher. 10.
Language
Change
switcher.
language. Get booking updates on WhatsApp.
Get
11
booking
of 12.
updates on WhatsApp.
Off. Switch. Privacy.
Okay.
V-5.7.
So these are the options in
Offers.
the head navigation menu. Okay. So this is the way to booking hotels by using OYO application. Before ending this video, please listen carefully. One disclaimer for you. I am not using OYO to book hotels regular basis. And also, some of negative comments are available in Play Store. So, booking OYO or booking hotels by using OYO is fully your responsibility. Accessible Computing and the video owner is not responsible if any financial or any type of damage or loss is happened by you or the application. I am making this video only for educational purpose. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.